You want to get the most out of Tracktion Waveform. Maybe you're looking for some tips and tricks. Well, you've come to the right place, because this tip or trick, however you want to look at it, is going to show you 10 not so hidden effects that you can access in Waveform Free or Pro. And these are the Waveform Clip FX. So how do you access them and what are they all about? Let's have a look. So the first thing that you'll want to do is load in some audio. It could be a loop, a sample, record some audio in, anything like that. I have some audio recorded in right here. And once you have that in there, you'll notice when I hover the mouse over this clip that a header appears at the top here. And also if I click on it, that header stays on. So I can move the mouse away and you still see it. Then you'll see this little box called Effects. You click on that, click on Add Clip Effect, and here are those effects in here. We have things like fade in, fade out, which is your typical fade in, fade out, and you can access those on the clips anyway. But one thing that's different with these is it's only at the beginning of wherever the audio starts. So if we were to crop this down like that, I can't access those clip effects, the fade in, fade out clip effects. So there's that. And you can remove these at any time by clicking on Remove All Clip Effects. Then say OK, and that removes that. You have things in here like volume. So you can just click and drag the volume up or down however you want. And that can come in handy if you have just a section where you want it to be lower or louder and you don't want to do automation for the whole track. You just want to add a clip effect for just a section of your song. You can do that with this volume control here. Then we have things like pitch shift. So here we have our audio. This is what it sounds like. It's very basic bass line that I have in here. But if I have this pitch shift, you'll see there's a line in the center here. And if we double click anywhere, it's going to create a node. And then I'll create another one here. And then I'll create one right there in the middle. And I'll drag this up. And then after it renders, now watch what it sounds like. Very silly. I'm not doing anything there, but you can do that up or down. So you have that clip effect there if you want. We'll take that off. Some other interesting ones here. We have tape start and tape stop. So that's kind of a neat effect. If you go to the end of the clip and you'll see like your fade little box there, this is actually for the tape stop effect. So we can drag that however long you want this tape effect to sound. That's how long you'll drag that over. And now watch what happens when we play. So it gives you that tape being slowed down and stopped effect. And you can make it very quick if you want. However long you want. And you can have it at the start of your clip as well. So that's the tape start and stop. Remove that. And you can also see in here that you can add a plugin directly from in here. We can reverse it if you want it to be reversed for whatever reason. Get all Beatles on it like that. And what else do we got going on? You can change it to mono. So if this was a stereo clip and we wanted it mono, you would click on that. And this is one that I'll use quite often. And another one that I use quite often is the Normalize. So if you click on that, you can see it normalizes it and makes it a much louder clip. And then you can also see in here that we have Phase Invert. If you're having an issue with phase, you can try using the Phase Invert. Maybe that will help. And that's your clip effects. Now, if you want even more Tracktion Waveform tips and tricks, click the playlist on the screen. There's seriously a lot of good stuff in there. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. For Audio Tech TV, I'm Zane. keep creating, and we'll talk soon.